A vector n of magnitude 8 units is inclined to x-axis at 45 degrees, y-axis at 60 degrees and an acute angle with z-axis, and if the plane is passes through the point root 2 comma minus 1 comma 1 and is normal to the vector n, then find its equation in vector form. So if you can consider a vector so let us consider a vector here n vector whose magnitude is given 8 units, and let us consider alpha be the angle with respect to x-axis and beta be the angle with respect to y-axis and gamma be the angle with respect to z-axis, so that alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are the direction cosines. So direction cosines, cos alpha is equal to, with respect to x-axis it is given 45 degrees, so cos 45 which is 1 upon root 2, and then with respect to y-axis it is given 60 degrees, say cos beta is equal to, so this is L direction cosine, this is M, which is equal to cos 60 degrees which is 1 by 2, and let us consider gamma be the angle, so here n is equal to cos gamma, and since we know that the relation between the direction cosines L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1, so that we can write here 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square, n is nothing but cos gamma, that is cos square gamma is equal to 1, so which implies that 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus cos square gamma is equal to 1, or we can write cos square gamma is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, so that we can write cos square gamma is equal to 1 minus half is half, half minus 1/4 is again 1/4, and so that we can write here cos gamma is equal to the root of 1 by 4, and since it is given an acute angle, so it should be positive angle because in 0 to 90 degrees cosine is positive, so we can consider cos gamma is equal to 1 by 2 since gamma lies between 0 and 90 degrees. Therefore direction cosines of vector n are L is equal to 1 by root 2, M is equal to 1 by 2 and N is equal to 1 by 2. Hence vector n with magnitude 8 units is equal to 8 times of Li plus Mj plus Nk, since Li plus Mj plus Nk is a unit vector, so it is 8 times you will be getting, so which is equal to 8 times 1 by root 2 I plus 1 by 2 j plus 1 by 2 k. So which on simplifying we can get n vector is equal to 8 upon root 2. 8 upon root 2 is, we can multiply and divide with root 2, so we'll get 8 root 2 divided by 2, that is 4 root 2. So we can write here 4 root 2 I, and 8 upon 2 is 4j, and again 8 upon 2 is 4k. So the vector n is nothing but 4 root 2 I plus 4j plus 4k. And now we need to find the vector equation of a plane. Vector equation of a plane passing through point whose position vector is given a, whose position vector is a, and a normal to the vector n, and normal to the vector n is given by r dot n is equal to a dot n. Since our plane is passing through the point root 2 comma minus 1 comma 1, and hence we can say let a is equal to root 2I minus j and plus k. So that equation of the plane we can write r dot n, that is 4 root 2I plus 4j plus 4k is equal to a dot n, that is root 2I minus j plus k dot n vector again 4 root 2I plus 4j plus 4k. So which is equal to, so we can take here 4 common, r times of 4 times of root 2I plus j plus k, which is equal to 4 root 2 into root 2, which comes as 4 root 2 into root 2 is 8I, and again here minus 4, sorry, it's only 8, dot product is a scalar, so root 2 into 4 root 2 is 8, and again minus 1 into plus 4 is minus 4, and plus 1 into 4 is plus 4. So we can write this as r dot of root 2I plus j plus k, which is equal to 1 upon 4 times of 8 minus 4 plus 4 is 8. So it is nothing but 2. So therefore the required vector equation is r dot of root 2I plus j plus k is equal to 2. Okay.